What is going on, guys? It's your boy Robbie back at it again with another video. Today's video is gonna be a POV video. As you guys can see from the previous video that I did, I installed a lowering control arms on the Subi. Now we're gonna put that on the test. Let's go. And if you guys like contents like these, car meets, all about cars, reviewing other people's cars, modifying my Subaru STI, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates. For everything, I just want to shout out to my friend back home in the Philippines, Rico Suave. Check out his channel. He does car videos too, but back home in the Philippines, where I came from, so he does car reviews and all about car scene in the Philippines. So you guys can see a little glimpse of what is car scene all about in the Philippines. And if kung subscriber ka ni Rico Suave, thank you so much for tuning in. Yes, nagtatagalog ako and I do some Tagalog videos sometimes. Check out my videos, guys, para naman magkaroon kayo ng idea what is car scene over here in California. So, back in the car, I installed my wheels, coilovers, and I didn't think the ride quality could be better. I drive it for a while, for like a month, and I never put it on alignment. But after I installed my lowering control arms, put it on alignment, the ride quality right now is like a boss. Very nice, very sturdy, very planted on the ground. I don't slip, and fitment is very good. I'll bring you guys with me on a POV drive so you guys can hear the sounds and get a little glimpse of how does it handle with the alignment, lowering control arms, and better fitment on the coilovers. Let's go. Oh yeah, I am back home, guys. Really. Hope you guys like that POV video that I made for you guys. It's such a nice feeling when you work on your car and then you see the progression of it, and then you actually be satisfied with it. Oh, and there you have it, guys. My carbon fiber red weighted shift knob. It's nice. It's actually better though than the stock ones. 1, 2. And that is a wrap for the video, guys. Hope you guys like it. See you on the next time. Peace.